Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about how to move around some of those recurring payment items to different areas on your online giving forms. Your current giving forms by default will have all of the different payment information down near the bottom, where you're putting in all of the different credit card information, bank account information to actually process the payment. There may be some scenarios where schools want to have this recurring payment element higher up on the form, so that way it becomes more apparent to your donors that they can give on a recurring basis. Ultimately, this might look something like this, where you're bringing that box, that checkbox, right up to the top of the form, right next to that gift amount. What we're doing on this form is not only are we pre-checking the box, we're also pre-selecting the interval, in this case monthly, that the recurring payment should occur. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back end of the form to see how this is put together. Here we have the back end of that example form. A couple of things to point out here. One, as we scroll down the form, we see the different payment widget has been added to our form. Here's where you're setting up the ability to collect those payment details. The other thing to point out is that total gift amount. This is where we're going to want that recurring checkbox to appear right after this gift amount section. If we double click this, we'll see that we've given this field an export key of total gift amount. We're going to reference this later in a brief little snippet of JavaScript in order to move that recurring payment checkbox right after this gift amount field. The other thing to point out on our form is this item right here. What this is an instruction blocks element from our form palette, where in the source, we've included a little snippet of JavaScript. What we're doing here is we're waiting for the form to load. We're identifying that payment amount, that recurring checkbox, and then we're simply moving it up and appending it after that element for our total gift amount. That's that export value we were referencing earlier. The other things you're noticing on this script is that we're checking the box, so that way when the page loads, it's already pre-checked. And we're also selecting the monthly option. Each of the different recurrence options has a value associated with it. In this case, 1M is referencing it for every single month. And that's it. Once those are selected, you're then able to go view the form. And as we view it, we're able to see that that checkbox is pre-checked and the monthly recurrence is all set. Remember to hit that subscribe button. See you next time.